So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you're looking to optimize sign-in workflow by customizing how receipts sign in, today I'm going to show you how to request and configure signatures in Docusign. So firstly, log into your Docusign admin account and navigate to the Sign-in Settings section. Ensure you have access to signature adoption configuration. If missing, contact support. And verify that the Disable Draw Signature checkbox remains unchecked so recipients have the drawing option. Now, select the Start on Draw radio buttons under both desktop and mobile adoption modes to make drawing the default choice. Just a tip, to prevent generic styles, check the boxes for Disable Style Selection and Disable Upload Signature before saving. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.